My Mobile Mechanic. This is I believe a 2016-17 Arcadia GMC water pump replacement. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 bolts. Comes out. Let's get the new one. Yeah. A little bit to clean up. That's next. Alright. Get the gasket on, I got everything cleaned up. Got a starter bolt up in there. I'll put the rest in and go from there. Broken down the factory specs. I'll put it in the description. Alright, I got everything tightened down to 8 foot-pounds. All the way around, synchronized, back and forth, back and forth. Just putting on the pulley now. We're gonna go from there. Need 2 hands to do this. You know where I'm going now. Okay, got the belt on. Looking good. Just trying to make sure everything's cool back there. All lines are hooked back up. It's pretty oily down there, so I clean out the belt a little bit. Everything else goes back in. We're good. Okay, now put everything back on in reverse. Putting this bracket on that holds the engine mount. Basically, going to tighten these before I start going into. So let's go back off on this one. Okay. Yeah. And these are 18s. Tighten them down and grab the next piece. You tighten down. This piece back in. Puts the engine mount. Goes in there. Motor mount, I mean. Alright. Tighten these down a little bit. My hand. Okay. And these are 15s. Good. Tighten those too. We're gonna put that. Alright. And what I did is, just to get that engine mount back in, I left this piece just a little bit loose. Just kept them loose a little bit so I can feed this motor mount in here. Pretty much. Tighten the hole to it. Bolts in there. Find that hole. Finish them up. I need an extra hand. Feed them through. Tighten everything down. These are all 15s. 15. It's 15. That's a 15. Go from there. factory specs, torque them down. Just trying to get them all in this bad boy right now. Okay. Next we're gonna be going to put that hose on. You're gonna go there next, either or, and you can put all your electrical back in. For now, it's good. I'm on mechanic. Another car over there. Alright, pretty much got everything, almost everything back in. Now I'm doing my wiring. Got my harness all hooked up. Them all hooked up on there first. Put this piece in there. I'm gonna set this. Slide this underneath there. Because this piece goes in here like this. Like so. Another piece that came from this one. Like this. And where's my other piece? There it is. I hid it all the way underneath here. For some reason. Because there's been a real dick spinner in the way. Okay. Now these two obviously connect together. And I need two hands to do that. Basically, self-explanatory. If you're doing a job like this, you should know how to hook these up. Okay. Hook them up. Alright. That's back in. I'm gonna put all these wires back on. We got one wire here. Flattest one. I'm gonna go down first. Matter of fact, I'm gonna clean all that gunk off of there. Green goo. I feel better with that. Wait, I'm wrong. Tighten this down. Don't go gorilla with it. Put your top back on. Don't put your overfill housing right here. You're good. Fill out all the fluids right there. Now that you got this off, fill them up. Start the car and you're done. Thank you very much. My mobile mechanic. This is I believe a 2016-17 Arcadia GMC water pump replacement. Thank you for watching.